Let's dive deeper into the fascinating history of bicycles. Karl von Drais' invention of the running machine, or dandy horse, was a significant milestone in the history of transportation. At the time, horse-drawn carriages were the primary mode of transportation for many people, but they were expensive and not accessible to everyone. Drais recognized the need for a more affordable and accessible form of transportation that could be used by the masses. The running machine consisted of two wheels connected by a wooden frame. The rider would straddle the frame and use their feet to push themselves forward, using a walking or running motion. Although the machine lacked pedals, it allowed riders to move much faster than walking and cover greater distances with ease. Drais' invention was an instant success, and it quickly became popular in Europe. The running machine was not only more affordable than a horse-drawn carriage, but also faster and more maneuverable, making it an attractive option for people looking for a convenient mode of transportation. Although the running machine was not a true bicycle, it was an important precursor to the modern bicycle. It paved the way for the development of pedal-powered bicycles that would soon revolutionize transportation and make cycling a popular pastime. Drais' invention also inspired other inventors to improve upon the design of the running machine. In 1818, Ernest, an English inventor, created a similar machine with a pedal attached to the front wheel. This design allowed riders to move forward with greater speed and efficiency and was a significant step forward in the development of the modern bicycle. Today, Karl von Drais is recognized as a pioneer of modern transportation and is credited with inventing the running machine that paved the way for the development of the modern bicycle. His invention not only provided a more affordable and accessible mode of transportation but also inspired a culture of cycling that continues to thrive today. The addition of pedals to the front wheel of a bicycle was a significant breakthrough in the development of the modern bicycle. This design made it much easier for riders to move forward, and it quickly gained popularity in Europe. Pierre Michaux and his son, Ernest, are credited with creating the first true bicycle in 1861, which they called the velocipede. The Michaux's design consisted of a wooden frame with two wheels and pedals attached to the front wheel. The pedals were connected to a system of gears that allowed riders to move forward with greater speed and efficiency. The bicycle was propelled by the rider's legs, which turned the pedals and moved the front wheel forward. The velocipede was an instant success, and it quickly gained popularity across Europe. The design was improved upon over the years, with the addition of brakes, pneumatic tires, and more efficient gearing systems. By the 1870s, bicycles had become a common sight on roads across the continent, and they were used for transportation, leisure, and even racing. Bicycles soon became an important part of daily life, especially for those who lived in urban areas. They provided a more efficient way to travel and were much more affordable than horse-drawn carriages or automobiles. Bicycles also gave people the freedom to explore their surroundings and travel greater distances than they could on foot. The popularity of bicycles continued to grow throughout the 20th century. They were used by the military during both World Wars, and they became a symbol of freedom and independence for women. The Tour de France, which began in 1903, became one of the most popular cycling events in the world, and it inspired a culture of competitive cycling that still thrives today. Today, bicycles are more popular than ever before. They are used for transportation, recreation, and sport, and they continue to evolve with new materials, designs, and technology. The bicycle remains a symbol of freedom, independence, and progress, and it is a testament to the power of human ingenuity and innovation. The popularity of bicycles continued to grow, and by the turn of the century, bicycles had become an essential mode of transportation for many people, particularly in cities. This growth was fueled by improvements in manufacturing, which led to greater affordability and reliability of bicycles. In the early 20th century, bicycles were not only used for transportation but also for leisure and competition. Cycling races, such as the Tour de France and the Giro d'Italia, became hugely popular, attracting thousands of spectators. During World War I, bicycles were used by the military to transport troops, supplies, and messages, particularly in areas where other forms of transportation were impractical. Bicycles were also used by civilians to supplement the shortage of other transportation means. In the 1920s and 1930s, bicycles continued to grow in popularity as more people used them for recreation and exercise. Women's cycling also became popular, with the creation of the Women's International Cycling Federation in 1924. The 1970s saw the emergence of mountain biking, which quickly gained popularity as an off-road activity. The development of mountain bikes, with their sturdy frames, wide tires, and multiple gears, made it possible to tackle even the roughest terrains. In recent years, bicycles have continued to evolve with new technologies, such as electric assist systems, making cycling more accessible to people of all ages and abilities. Bicycles have also played a significant role in social and cultural movements. For example, bicycles were used as a tool for political protest during the early days of the environmental movement, with activists using bicycles to draw attention to the negative impact of cars on the environment. In addition to being a sustainable and environmentally friendly mode of transportation, bicycles also provide numerous health benefits, including cardiovascular fitness, improved balance, and reduced stress. In conclusion, the history of bicycles is a testament to human innovation and creativity. From their humble beginnings as running machines to the advanced and diverse bicycles of today, bicycles have played a vital role in transportation, recreation, and culture. As we look to the future, the role of bicycles in addressing environmental and health concerns, and as a solution to traffic congestion and other urban problems, is likely to continue to grow.